Okay, I'm gonna try this as fast as I can. This little boy is about to scream in about 2 seconds. Okay, so 1 through 24 is your worksheet. I'm not gonna grade all of 1 through 24. You just have to do 1 through 6 and 12 through 23 because those are the ones I really like the way they worded it. The other ones, no, I don't like the way they worded that, and this one's cut off. So the first part is the video you did, or is more you're gonna add. So what's the probability you get a 3 on a 12-sided section numbered 1 through 12, or you get a 4? Well, 3 is one option out of 12, and 4 is one option out of 12. You add, you reduce. Same with here. You get an even or you get a 7. Half of the numbers, 6 out of 12, are even, and 7 is 1 out of 12. Even or odd, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, that's 6 options of odd. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, that's 6 even options out of 12. So that's 12 out of 12 or 1. Multiples of 3, that's 4 options. Odds, that's 6 options. Add them together and reduce. Here's where the only one that you have to subtract. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12. So that's 6 out of 12 and 4 out of 12, which is 10 out of 12. But we counted this 12 twice and the 6 twice, so remove those 2 options to get 8 out of 12, which reduces to 2/3. You might want to pause that part, look at it, rewind it, listen to that again. Okay. Number 6, how many numbers are less than 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's 4 options. How many numbers are greater than 9? 10, 11, 12, which is 3 options out of 12. So that's 7 options out of 12. So this is what we did in the notes. Down here, we didn't take a lesson on this, but you did do this in middle school. So there's with replacement. That means like you take a marble out and you put it back in. And this is without replacement, means you take the tile, but you don't take it, put it back in. So the denominator is going to be the same here. If I pull a marble out of a bag, we have 3 blue, 5 red, and 2 green. That's a total of 10 marbles. What's the probability I get a blue and then I get a blue? So there's 3 blue out of 10. I put the marble back, so I still have 10 marbles again. So I still have all 3 blue marbles. So then I get a 3 out of 10 again. If you do something and then you do something, you multiply your ways together. So we get 9 out of 100. There's 5 red, so 5 tenths, 5 tenths. That reduces to a half and a half, which is a 4th. Blue is 3 out of 10. Green is 2 out of 10. Okay, you just do the same. So you can just pause it right here and kind of check your answers. Now here's a little bit trickier. You have 2 tiles with the letter X and 6 tiles with Y and 4 tiles with Z. That's 2, 6, 4, that's 12 total. So what's the probability I pick a tile that's X and then the next one I pick is Y? Well, there's 2 out of 12 tiles that are X. There are 6 out of, well, not 12 anymore because we already picked a tile, so now it's down to 11. So I pick this and then I pick this, fundamental counting principle, 12 out of 121, which reduces to 1/11. I could just break it down, cancel those. They're both Y. Well, there's 6 out of 12, and I've already picked a Y. So now it's 5 are left out of 11 tiles. I reduced it, and then I multiplied. You can reduce before or after you multiply. Here, there's 6 out of 12, and then 2 out of 11, because we're down 1 tile. So this would simplify to 1/2. So you get 2 out of 22, which is 1/11. Here, there are 4 Z tiles out of 12, but we're down 1 tile, so now we have 11, but there's still 2 tiles. So 8 out of 121, which reduces to 2 out of 33. Both are Z, so it would be 4 out of 12. Well, Z is now down to 3 Zs, 11. So this would reduce to 1/11. And then Y and Z, 6 out of 12, 4 out of 11. Okay, these are the answers. Just make sure you hand them in. What I'm going to post today is a review guide for probability of all we've done. I'll probably put up the review guide. So next week will probably be the review guide, some keystone practice, and then an assessment, which you'll have plenty of time to work on and ask questions.